Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Twitter setting to see sensitive content. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then slide to the right, a list of options will appear. Scroll a bit downwards and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're on your setting page, tap on Privacy and Safety. On Privacy and Safety page, tap on Content You See. There you will see Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Tap on it. The toggle bar will turn blue. So that is how you change Twitter setting to see sensitive content. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.